Welcome to part 3 in our slab mug building series. In part 3, we carve a personalized relief design into the body of our mug. At this stage, our mug and our handle have dried to leather hard. Begin by outlining your image with a pencil or a pointy tool. We'll be carving out the background of our image, the negative part, leaving behind our design in relief. This means that the main part of our image, the positive, will be raised from the background. Make sure your mug is dried to leather hard before you start carving. Begin by carving the outside edge of the background and allow your tool to angle so that the background fades into the rest of the mug body. At this stage, we're basically outlining our image. As you carve out the background, you should see the major shape of your object begin to stand out from the rest of the clay. Be careful not to carve too deep and allow your edges to kind of fade out to the background into the rest of the cup. Now I'm going to begin to carve the inside edges of my shapes to reveal more details. You can begin with a larger tool to carve out the big areas. When you get to more detailed areas, switch to a smaller tool. Make sure to gather all your scraps and place them in the reclaim bucket. And be sure to sweep up any scraps to prevent spreading clay dust. At this stage, I'm refining my design and cleaning up my edges. Now we're on to the final stage, smoothing everything out. Use a rib tool or the smooth side of a wooden tool to smooth out all of the areas that you've carved. Finally, go over your work with a damp sponge to smooth everything out and clean up any imperfections.